Hi friends, my name is Alisa, your English teacher. Let's learn English while unboxing clothes and shoes. To unbox, unbox, to unbox, unbox. A parcel. This is a parcel. So let's open the first parcel. What's inside? What's inside? Let's open. Oh, so these are children's jeans. These are children's jeans. Okay, so let's talk about quality. I like the material. Also, they are stretchy. These jeans are stretchy. The only thing is that I ordered fleece-lined jeans, but I received just simple jeans without any fleece. So that's a little bit disappointing, but that's okay. Jeans are still good, so I think I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna keep them. They look simple and stylish. They look simple and stylish. The next parcel, guess what is this? Yeah, you're right. It's a sweater. It's a sweater for my son. Actually, I ordered the size 110, but for some reason I received 130. Not sure why, but it's regarding the size. Then, about the quality, I feel it's really good. It's not too thick and not too thin, and I think it's gonna be really warm for autumn. I'm gonna keep it for the future. When my son grows up, he's gonna wear it. So I decided not to return it. Okay, so let's keep it. And also I like the color. I like the red color. It looks nice. And this little cute bear. So I like it. I'm gonna keep it. Okay, can you guess what is this? Let's open it and see. Let's unbox this parcel. So first, we've got pajama pants. My son can sleep in these pants and also just wear at home. So we will see. They look soft and warm, perfect for sleeping or just plain at home. So these are pajama pants. And also these pants are 100% cotton. The quality is great. And it's a set. So we also have this pajama top. It's a long sleeve, one long sleeve. So it's a long sleeve pajama top. Again, the quality is great and I like the design, the rainbows and the whales. And again, the quality is great and it's very soft. When you touch it, it feels very soft. Okay, let's see the size. Let's check the size. It's 120. Okay, it's really good. I like it and I'm gonna keep it. The next parcel, guess what is this? Let's open and see. Let's unbox. Okay, so you can see these are pajama pants. I ordered two. The quality is great. It's super soft. It's 100% cotton. They are made of pure cotton, but the only thing I'm a little bit disappointed about, I feel like they're too long. The size here says 120. It's exactly the same as this one. So let's compare. 120 here, you can see. So let's compare the lengths. For some reason, these pants are longer. I'm not sure why. Okay, but still I'm gonna keep them. If the quality was poor, I would definitely return them. But let's keep them and my son can wear them later. Yeah, and another pants with this design. I really like this design with cars. It's super cute. Let's open one more. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so again we got another pajama set. I really like it. It's very soft. I like the design. I like these patterns and Yeah, it's very soft when you touch it, it's very soft. And also, another thing is, again, it's 100% cotton. It's made of pure cotton, 100% natural cotton. I really like it, and it's very important for me. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep this pajama top with long sleeves and pants. Let's just double check the size, because now I feel a little bit concerned. Yeah, it's correct. It's 120. Okay, so let's keep it. I'm not gonna return it. Let's check this parcel. What is this? What's inside? Okay, ta-da! So these are sweatpants, but they are warm. These are sweatpants. These sweatpants are comfortable and made of cotton. They are comfortable and made of cotton. These pants are soft and stretchy. The waistband is stretchy. The waistband is stretchy, stretchy, to stretch. So I like it. I'm gonna keep it. Okay, what else do we have? Let's check this parcel. I already know what's inside. And let's guess, what is this? Ooh. So again, I ordered another pajama set. So the pants and the pajama top with long sleeves. The only problem is they're too big. And I think it's like my size, you know. I ordered these pajamas all the same size, but for some reason it ended up like this. So let's compare, for example, this one and this one. So this is the difference, right? And I think my son can wear it when he's like, I don't know how old, 6 years old. Now he's almost 3. So I'm gonna return this pajama. Even though the quality is great, it's pure cotton and I like the design, it's super cute, but it's not gonna fit my son. It's too big. Another parcel, I think you can guess what this is. These are children's boots. So everything is great about these boots. The only, it's perfect for autumn, you know. It's fleece lined. The sole is thick. That's perfect for the cold weather. The only problem is again the size. Anyways, I'm gonna order a different size. Exactly the same boots. I'm gonna return these and order a different size, a smaller size. But I really like the quality, you know, it's just great. I hope they're gonna accept my return. Yeah, and I'm gonna order a different size. Sneakers, again, the quality is great. The only problem is the size. That's why I'm gonna return these and order a smaller size. But the quality is great. Okay, so I'm done with the parcels for my son. As for me, it's a khaki trench coat. I was super excited to buy it. So let's talk first what I like about it. I like the classic style. It has a belt. The fabric feels like light but strong. Like everything is good about it. The only problem is, let me wear and you will see. So you know, I like everything about this trench coat. I like the style. It's classic and elegant. The only problem is, this is the problem, you know, the sleeves. I don't know what to do. Should I return or just keep it? Please tell me in the comments below if I should return or just keep it. The sleeves are supposed to be long. All right, friends, that's it for this lesson. Please write your comments regarding this trench coat. See you soon. Take care.